Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
My name is Satish Kumar. I'm one of the cyclists. My daughter is Akarshana. I would like to share my great experience by telling about the complete the cycling activity which I have recently enrolled with Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Academy. This gives a great experience for me, especially for my daughter who doesn't even know how to cycle. There was no fitness through my one of my friend in Chennai who came to got trained in velodrome. I just came with him and I got an opportunity to got introduced to Dr. Maxwell. So I just tried telling my daughter that why can't we just come and get trained for just 3 to 7 days. So that was my starting point 40 days back. This is what was a great experience, I would say. Morning 6 o'clock, we come to this velodrome training. In this 40 days today, inter-district competition happened where I can say that my daughter also could able to participate and can able to win the competition over here. Great coaching given by Dr. Maxwell and his subordinates, Mr. Pasha, and all his team. I would say not only the training, I would say not only the cycling, the every day he gives the warm up exercise which gives the children a great complete motivation where they can do. And he not only gives the cycling training, he tells the techniques, while you are turning, you have to, if you turn about the right turn, you should always say right pedal up, left turn, you take it a left pedal up. So these are the great techniques that children have learned it in this. I have personally been there for 40 days as a parent. I have observed a lot on this training. It was a great experience. I would definitely encourage all the parent to enroll your children to be part of this kind of a cycling activity, which gives really a children a great career for sure. Once again, I wish Dr. Maxwell Trevor Cycling Academy a great wishes. Good luck to all the cyclists once again. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I'm really proud to say that my kids have joined this academy. I mean, at an early age. So I really thank Dr. Maxwell Trevor for actually giving a podium to the kids of this age, to start their career off. And I'm really proud, not only any kid, every kid has been treated here same. Given an opportunity, everyone wants to do good and the best. And I think we've got the right coach, the right training academy. And we are lucky that this is the first year we had the state selection for the age 6 to 11. So I'm really happy and that my kids are associated with this team, and I would definitely love them to continue with it.
And I'm really fortunate that my kids they are getting trained under Maxwell sir, and the effort, the way of skills they give the kids, the way they train, and I really admire that. And I find my kids very lucky that they are getting trained under Dr. Maxwell sir. And it's hardly 2 months now my kids have been joining over here, and now they are performing for the state. And I feel very happy and proud, like every parent does. And I wish each and every parent should feel proud that every parents have a dream that the kids should become something. So this cycling is also a very sport that where the kids' health and the mannerism and the way they are disciplined, the total life is changed, because I have seen my kids playing around, not being serious, not in any activity because of this COVID, the lockdown. All the kids were at home, and I think so each and every parent must be worried about that. But luckily, I find myself very lucky and fortunate that I came to know about Dr. Maxwell sir, and the way he treats each and every kid. And he has that thing in him that every kid should perform, every kid should be disciplined, and he should do something good in life. So I find very lucky to I find very lucky for my kids. and I'm very happy to get associated to Dr. Maxwell sir. And I really thank the whole team of MTCWA, like Lauren ma'am, Pasha sir, Maxwell sir. I cannot forget him. That I find myself very lucky. I'm feeling like a kid now, but being with sir, if I miss one day cycling, I feel like I'm missing something in my life. So I'm so addicted to Maxwell sir's academy and the Maxwell sir, the way he treats us and each and every kid. So I always thank God, that we are very fortunate and lucky that, we have the guidance of Dr. Maxwell sir. And God bless him, God bless Lauren ma'am for all their efforts, whatever they are putting. And I always encourage, he always encourages each and everybody. So I again, from bottom of my heart, I really want to thank Dr. Maxwell sir and Lauren ma'am for all his efforts. And thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Ratnika. I'm a player of Maxwell Cycling Welfare Association. I'm really proud to be in this association, as he is really a motivation sir, and he's a very nice sir who supported me every time. In this academy, everyone is supporting me, like Pasha sir, the Annas, Pranana, Pranavanna, etc. They all are really good. I think this cycling should go anywhere. They also conducted the lowest group, like 6 to 11 also. It's really great to conduct like that. I thank everybody.
గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్ సార్. అబ్బాయి వచ్చేసి వైభవ్, బిలో 10 years. రేసింగ్లో స్టార్టింగ్లో మనం సార్ దగ్గర కోచింగ్ జాయిన్ అవ్వకముందు ఏం లేకుండే. ఇప్పుడు ఆటోమేటికల్లీ సార్ ట్రైనింగ్కి మార్నింగ్ ట్రైనింగ్ 24 hours ఆయన ధ్యాస తీసుకొని ఇప్పుడు మన వాడు 2nd place వచ్చాడు ఈరోజు అండర్ 10లోని. మార్నింగ్ వాకింగ్, ఫుడ్ హ్యాబిటేట్స్ అన్నీ చేంజ్ అయినాయి. ఇప్పుడు అప్పుడులా లేకుండా ఇప్పుడు మొత్తం అన్నీ చేంజ్ అయినాయి. మ్యాక్స్వెల్ సార్, పాషా సార్, thank you.
My name is Ravi Anand and this is my wife Gail, and we are from Warangal. We heard about Dr. Maxwell's Academy and we wanted to see it on first hand, to really experience the amount of good work that they have been doing, especially among underprivileged children, providing them free training, cycles, even accommodation, and even free food for those who cannot afford it. This is seriously and really an amazing amount of work that they have put in, real good work. And we were here to witness the event. We have been here for the last 2 days and it has been an amazing experience. And we would want to wish Dr. Maxwell and his team good luck for the future.
Being a part of Maxwell Travels Cycling Association is a matter of pride. My child has been associated with the Maxwell Travels Association from a long time, and today he has won cycling competition at state level. He has taught him so good, and he is such a good teacher, and at every level he has taught him very good. I'm very happy to be a part of the cycling association.
Maxwell Cycling Welfare Association, they are actually doing a very commendable job as far as giving exposures to our children's. I have started sending my kids in a 3 weeks camp. In the 3 weeks tenure, I started to observe the team spirit and leadership qualities in my child. So I think what they are doing for the farewell of our kids is commendable job, and I really recommend for all the kids who are into the sports, they should come forward and take this chance as their career opportunity also. Thank you so much.